Joy Ma Bagola Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Bigyan. Previous 2 days I was attacked by some seasonal fever and some cold and cough. But presently I am quite okay by grace of all of you. And I believe by the grace of Ma Bagola Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well also. And I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again that this is a one-day video, so if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measures. Today, 31st October 2020. Let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. In this day, a lot of hard work must be done to achieve the desired result in your life. And the people will get jealous with your success in this day, so be careful about them. And obviously today you will try to spend some time in solitude, and you will take care of your elders of the family during this whole day, and you will be lost in deep thoughts in this day. And your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Today, throw a coins into some running water, river, or in any pond before starting your daily routine. And by these things, you will get a very good success in your career and your children's careers also. Then let's talk about the second sign of the zodiac, Taurus. In this day, you will get a new source of earning in your life. And obviously do not share your emotions with every people in your life, and you will have to go with some unwanted changes on the workplace or in your business place. And obviously be careful about your laziness and laxity, which will dominate you in this day. And there will be some fear in your mind regarding your performance in your office, in your business, in your jobs, etc. And your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. Today, if possible, then donate a green dress to any little girl under age 9 before starting your daily routine. Then let's talk about the Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. There will be some positive attitude towards your life during this whole day. An incident related to the past might be revealed in this day, and you will get relief from your every kind of physical diseases during this whole day, and you will be very satisfied with your family life, and you will prevail upon your opponent. Some people will appreciate your talent during this whole day, and your lucky number for that day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Today, blessed by serving some sweets and some foods to any little girl under age 9. Then let's talk about Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will find yourself in a position of very good pride, and you might participate in some social event during this whole day, and the day will be very good for the people who are associated with IT sector, and you will try to improve your workplace conditions or your business place conditions during this whole day, and it will be very good for you. Some people will attract towards you because of your very good behavior with them, and your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you for the day. At the beginning of the day or at the beginning of any good work, keep it in an earthen pot or a jug filled with raw milk, then start your daily routine. You will obviously get a very good results in your life. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. In this day, you will study some religious text, and if you do this, it will be very good for you. But do not take any kind of decisions based on your emotions during this whole day, and you will be very worried about your family, and the people will try to damage your prestige in your society or in your workplace. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the day, and you will be very weak on the health front. So be careful. And your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, throwing some raw turmeric in running water or in a river or in a pond will improve your financial situation in your life during this whole day. Then let's talk about sixth sign of the zodiac, Virgo. Today you must work thoughtfully, and due to some physical weakness, you will not feel good at your work or your business. So stars are advised you to maintain harmony in mutual relationships in your life, and you may hear some bad news during this whole day. So be careful about these things, and obviously stay away from every kind of disputes in your life during this day. And your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Today, donate some milk in any religious place, and by these things you will get a very good results in your life. Then let's talk about the seventh sign of the zodiac, Libra. Today, obviously keep a cordial relations with your loved one, and you might get a promotion in your job, and you will achieve your target with a little effort during this whole day. And some new business possibilities may be created in your life, and the life partner will be in a very romantic mood during this day. So enjoy the day from every corner of your life. And your lucky number for the day is 7. Though there is a remedy for you for the day, do not burn milk to prepare any kind of sweets or any kind of milk made product during this whole day. Then let's talk about the Scorpio, the 8th sign of the zodiac. Today you will get a very good job opportunities from any kind of MNC multinational company, and you will make up your mind to buy some new property. If there is any kind of a possibility to do these things, then obviously do it as early as possible, and the obstacles coming in your job will be removed very easily today. But try to learn from your past mistakes, otherwise you will lose something big. But be careful that your work will be spoiled at last moment. And your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Today, if possible, then bring some water from a well or a pond or a river which is located in a cremation ground or in a burial ground or beside a burial ground, and after picking it, keep it up in your room or your house for some days, and obviously you will get a very good results to do these things. Then let's talk about the Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac. Some bad people might stall your path, so be careful about these things, and do not trust any unknown people in this day too much. And stars are advise you to control your expenses. There will be some ups and downs in your married life, love life during this whole day, so be careful about these things also. And there is a possibility of some differences with your friends during this whole day. And your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously keep a square piece of silver object in your bedroom or in your house at the beginning of the day, and by these things you will get a very good news in your life today. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. Today you are advised to change your plans, every kind of plans, and obviously do not spoil your relations with your subordinate employees during this whole day, and be careful that you will not spend a quality time with your family members during this whole day. And it seems luck will not on your side during this day, so be careful about whole day. And obviously you should avoid giving some immediate reaction about anything during this whole day. And your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, going to any religious place will have a good effect on your destiny letter. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. Today you might get some encouragement in your office or in your business place, and your journey will be very excellent during this whole day, and you will resolve your old every kind of disputes during this day, and your relations with siblings will be very good during this whole day. In this day, you may be interested in some charity or some religious work, and it will be very good for you. Your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Today, if possible, then donate some milk to any religious place before starting your daily routine, and it will give you a very good result to improve your career. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is Pisces, that you will take a special interest in some luxury during this whole day, and you will skimp on spending some money, and you may have a dispute with juniors in the office, which will be not good for you for coming some days also. And women may face some health issues during this whole day. Be careful about these things, and obviously avoid eating outside during this whole day. It will be not good for you. And your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Today, do not give any kind of food or milk or milk product to any pure saint. Be careful about these things. Anyway, this was the judgment of Aries to Pisces from today's match, its question and remedial action, and I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bangla Devi, like every day, let Hema keep everyone well and keep them healthy and create a very good situation in their life, so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today, I will be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge Pisces from Aries in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.